Welcome to the Proman. Ever wondered how technology can revolutionize our financial transactions, ensuring security and transparency? The answer lies in blockchain. This buzzword is making waves in the tech sphere, and for good reason. With its key characteristics of decentralization, security, and transparency, blockchain has the potential to transform the way we handle data and transactions. It's like a public ledger, open yet secure, where every transaction is verified and recorded. Intriguing, isn't it? So, let's delve into the world of blockchain and see how it works. Blockchain in essence is a chain of blocks, but not in the traditional sense of those words. It's a revolutionary technology that operates as a decentralized digital ledger, recording transactions across multiple computers to ensure transparency and security. Let's break it down. Imagine a block as a record of new transactions. Once a block is filled with transactions, it's added to the blockchain. So, when we say blockchain, we're referring to this ever-growing list of blocks, each linked to the one before it, forming a chain. Now, you may ask, how are these blocks created and added? This is where a process known as mining comes in. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first one to solve the problem gets to add the new block to the chain. But here's the catch. To ensure the integrity of the blockchain, these blocks aren't just added willy-nilly. They are secured using cryptography, a method of protecting information through the use of codes. Each block has a unique code called a hash and the hash of the previous block. This creates an unbreakable link. The final piece of the puzzle is consensus. For a block to be added to the chain, the majority of the network must agree that the block is valid. This consensus mechanism ensures that every transaction is verified and prevents fraud. Now that we have a basic understanding of how blockchain works, let's summarize the key points. And so far, we've unraveled the mystery behind blockchain technology. We've journeyed through the labyrinth of its intricate workings, seeing firsthand how this ingenious system operates. It's not just about digital currency, it's about a whole new way of managing and sharing data. We've discovered the power of decentralization, where data is scattered across a network of nodes, creating a robust system that's virtually immune to single-point failures. We've delved into the world of cryptography, understanding how it adds an impenetrable layer of security, protecting our data from prying eyes. And we've seen the role of consensus, a vital mechanism that ensures every transaction is verified and agreed upon by the majority of nodes. Just as the internet revolutionized the way we share information, blockchain could drastically alter the way we handle financial transactions. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and the future of blockchain holds much more.